And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this tactical flashlight for outdoor hiking and emergencies. Nothing to really show you around the box. Open it up. We have a lot of stuff. Wow, so that's it for the box. Nothing else there but the sticker. Plastic. Oh, there's actually two of them in there. Wow, didn't notice that at first. So light number 1 and light number 2. So you can see here the zoom, the in and out. You can just adjust it that way to zoom the light in and out. And if you take this cap off, this is where you get to your batteries. It takes 3 AA batteries to power this light, and it even includes a nice little hand strap so that way you wouldn't lose it. Very cool. Same for this one, absolutely no difference. You just get 2 of them in here, and these are for rechargeable batteries. So if you were to buy rechargeable batteries, you could slide the rechargeable battery in here, slide this casing in, and use a rechargeable battery. Well, I think that's really it for this unboxing. Make sure you pick yourself up 3, or in this case 6 AAA batteries to be able to power these, and that should do it for this unboxing of these tactical flashlights. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.